Since its establishment in 2013, Shenzhen Morgotan Tech Company Limited has been professionally specializing in design, development of home-use beauty devices. Currently, products have been exported to 30 countries such as USA, UK, Singapore, and Russia. Our honorable partners, L'Oreal, Mary Kay, Avon, Estee Lauder. Our associated factory is located in Dongguan, 40 minutes driving time to Shenzhen, with convenient transportation access. Covering an area of 2,000 square meters, we now have 60 employees, 2 dust-free workshops, class 100,000, with 5 assembling lines and 10,000 pieces daily production capacity. We mainly focus on face cleansing brush, eye massager, face roller, and galvanic face massager. All of our R&D engineers have rich experience in beauty device. In last 2 years, we already launched 13 new models with our own patents and plan to release 5 new models this year. One-stop service from ID, structural to production can be provided. Now, there are 11 members in QC department. Our well-equipped testing and production facilities and strict quality control regulations throughout the whole production stages enable us to guarantee stable quality and customer satisfaction. Our associated factory has passed the audit of ISO 9001, BSCI, and FDA registration. We will also keep applying for certification per market and client's request. We also participate in worldwide professional beauty fairs like Cosmoprof Bologna, Las Vegas, Asia HK, Beauty Fair Japan. Sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.